Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, we have to open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one, which is *# 06 £. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *# £, *225 £, *#. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option, the best code, because here we've got everything grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which should open the diagnostic info. It is *# *, 426 £, *#. And right here we've got the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host port and time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3-dot icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code for today's video. It is *# *, 4636 £, *#. And here we've got the testing mode, so the technical code again. We can check some phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. Let's start with phone info. As you can see, we've got the information just like the email number, phone number, roaming, override network type, voice network type. You will be able to check the information if you will have your SIM card inserted. You can run ping test here, and after tapping on the 3-dot icon, you can, for example, enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back and let me show you usage statistics. So here we should have the list of all apps and processes. They will be sorted by usage time, last time you used, or app name. For some reason I do not have one, but that's still okay. I'm pretty sure that you will be able to check the usage statistics. And Wi-Fi information, again divided into 3 different categories, so the API configuration and the status. So let me choose, for example, the status. Let's refresh the stats. And here we've got the info just like the network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.